Hello viewers, welcome to Mufti Farm's YouTube channel. In today's video I am going to be talking about the Rosella parrot. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button before we continue. Rosella parrots, often simply called Rosellas, are a group of colorful parrots native to Australia and nearby islands. They belong to the genus Platycercus and are known for their striking plumage and lively personalities. Here are some key points about them. 1. Colorful plumage. Rosellas are famous for their vibrant and varied plumage. Different species and subspecies display a range of colors, including red, yellow, green, blue, and black. This colorful appearance makes them popular as pets and in agriculture. 2. Species diversity. There are several species of Rosellas, including the Eastern Rosella, Crimson Rosella, Pale-headed Rosella, and the Western Rosella, among others. Each has its own unique coloration and characteristics. 3. Habitat. Rosellas are found in various habitats, from forests and woodlands to grasslands and urban areas. They adapt well to different environments and are often seen in parks and gardens. 4. Diet. These parrots primarily feed on a diet of seeds, fruits, and nectar. They are particularly fond of eucalyptus blossoms, which are a significant part of their diet in the wild. 5. Behavior. Rosellas are known for their playful and social nature. They often gather in small flocks and engage in activities like grooming, feeding, and flying together. They are also known for their distinctive calls and vocalizations. 6. Breeding. Rosellas are cavity nesting birds, using hollows in trees as nesting sites. They typically lay clutches of eggs, and both parents share incubation and chick rearing duties. 7. Conservation. While some Rosella species are abundant and widespread, others are threatened due to habitat loss and the pet trade. Conservation efforts are in place to protect their natural habitats and populations. 8. Popular pets. Due to their striking appearance and engaging personalities, some Rosella species are kept as pets. However, it's essential to ensure they are kept in appropriate conditions and comply with local regulations, as keeping native parrots as pets may be restricted or illegal in some areas. Rosellas are iconic and charismatic birds, celebrated for their beauty and charisma. It's important to admire them in the wild or care for them responsibly in captivity, ensuring their well-being and protection in their native habitats.